That some achieve great success is proof that all others can achieve it as well. Abraham Lincoln. My friends, 10 to 15 minutes a day for you to achieve success. Follow the rules. Track these stocks, ETFs, all that you're interested in, whatever they may be. Backtrack them, see if you can track them going forward. Use all of the different methods that we teach you to trend follow. And I believe you will find over and over and over again that it works. And when it doesn't work, you cut your losses, you use your profit and loss bands, you get out. And again, things just go wonderfully. Let's jump into these charts. The S&P down a little bit for the day, but we already pulled out of that trade, took our two times our risk and walked away with a successful trade back about, 2 days ago at 2.32%. And again, still in the green on the STC down in the morning and recovering a little bit in the afternoon. Overall down for the day, 0.71%. And again, we're still in the green on the STC on the half day, still in the green on the STC on the 2 day, although you can see we're not reaching a higher high, so we got out at the right time. And what do we see with that weekly? Again, nice green up candles bounced off the 200 EMA on that weekly chart. We see, let me pull this up a little further. There we go. You can see where that happened. And again, things went nicely. So we'll continue to watch for another opportunity to jump back in when things go our way. What about the NASDAQ 100? Well, we had things heading in the right direction. They pulled back a little on us. We closed that trade when we started getting that red candle. And again, we were hoping, let me pull this down so you can see it, we're hoping to grab a 3.47%. We ended up with about a percent and a half. You know what? That's okay. That's all right. We don't have to have it all. Depends on when you pulled out in the morning, rather early morning or late morning. Things moved over up a little bit in the afternoon. Now, hey, you can stay in if you want. My rule is, though, typically when I start seeing red candles and I still have a little bit of profit left, I'll grab what's there. Don't know where things are going. When we look at what the volume has been doing, we can see that the volume heated up later in the day, but again, they could just be storing up for a down run, so I don't know. But anyway, we took what we could get out of that one, and we're happy with it. We did have the STC go from green to red, so we're at a positive 14 now. When we look at the 2 day, it's still in the green, and we see that the weekly is still in the green too, having bounced off the 200 EMA. So we'll wait and see if we're going to have another crossover going up and if we can jump back in. But for now, we took what we could get and we'll take it. Now, let's see where we are on bonds. Still heading down some. We saw where things have been sliding sideways and then down in the morning, further down in the afternoon, down overall 1.04%. Waiting for things to clean up here. It's just been sloppy. We got nowhere to go right now on this. We're below the 200 EMA, so of course we're looking for short moves. We do see that we're still green on the 2 day, which again, that takes away 4 points from our success multiplier formula heading down. We are green also on the weekly, and of course that is 10 points. So again, what are we really? We are -1 on the down move or +4 for up moves. We can't, I'm sorry, +14 for up moves, but we really don't look at the positive there because we're below the 200 EMA, so we're only looking for short moves. So right now, not a lot going in the right direction. We'll wait for bonds to clean up. Let's look at gold, moving in the right direction, down 0.65% for the day, hoping to make 1.58% on that down move in gold. It is moving in the right direction so far. We can see where it slowed down in that down movement in the afternoon. Did the same yesterday and did the same the day before. So we see where gold pounds down in the morning and then sort of claws back a little bit of that in the afternoon. So we'll keep a close eye on gold. When we look at where we are on the 2-day, it is green. The weekly is red. So we'll keep an eye on gold very closely to see if it's going to continue to move down for us. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is continuing to sort of slide along, deteriorated throughout the course of the day, down 3.07% on XBTF, which is the VanEck Bitcoin ETF. It's a short-term future ETF. And of course, it is going down. That's on the half-day. 2-day is, again, we can see with this latest 2-day candle moving down after some prior green candles, but again, not taking off. Again, hasn't moved above that 200 EMA on that half-day chart. And we look at the weekly, we can see things slacking off this week, not reaching that higher high. So we'll continue to watch, wait and see how Bitcoin continues to shake out. And Patreon members, don't forget, as soon as I finish the show, this show, I will be recording for you Charting Crypto. That's where we are, folks, as we end the day on Wednesday. I can't believe it's Wednesday. Moving on into Thursday. Already, one really good trade this week, one okay trade, and gold moving in the right direction. Boom! I'm hoping we're coming out of this summertime trading zone. I can't wait for the plentiful fall trading zone, which is what it usually is. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.